Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable NFTPort for minting NFTs without complex contracts. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable NFTPort for minting NFTs without complex contracts, start by navigating to the NFTPort website. Sign up for an account if you haven't already, and log into your dashboard. Once logged in, locate the API key section in your dashboard. Copy the API key as you will use it in the next steps. Next, open your preferred code editor or IDE to write your minting script. Begin by creating a new JavaScript file. First, install the necessary libraries by running the command for your package manager. Import the required libraries at the top of your JavaScript file. Set up a new instance of the NFTPort SDK using your API key. Prepare the metadata of the NFT you wish to mint. Include fields like name, description, and image URL within the metadata. Next, construct the minting function that will call NFTPort's mint endpoint. Within the function, use the metadata you prepared earlier as the payload. Add error handling to capture any issues that may arise during the minting process. Once your function is complete, call it to initiate the minting process. Monitor the console for any success messages or errors during the minting. If successful, your NFT will be minted and available on the specified blockchain. You can verify the minting by checking your wallet or the NFT marketplace. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled NFTPort for minting NFTs without complex contracts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.